Oh, yes. And IPEF, Indo-Pacific Economic Framework, was officially launched by President Joe Biden in Tokyo yesterday. And I think that it seems to cover all the major topics, trade topics for the 21st century. But still, it's not a trade agreement. It remains a concept for the moment, and we'll have to wait to see how it will evolve up. And to me, that China is a major player and a major economy in Asia. The Secretary of Commerce, U.S. Secretary of Commerce, Raimondo, has said that IPEF is an alternative to China. I don't know what does it mean. It should mean that IPEF is all-inclusive. In China, it's the major economy in Asia. Asia's GDP accounts for 38% of the world total, and one-third larger than North America, and 50% larger than Europe. And China accounts for almost half of the Asian economy. And Asia exports account for 36% of the world total, and China accounts again for almost half. So China is a major economic and trading power in Asia, and all the cooperation in Asia should be covering all countries, including China and all Asian countries.
Yes, there is a sense that the IPEF framework is a first step and signals the return of the US re-engagement with the Indo-Pacific region, but it does lack substance, and we need more clarity on enforceable standards. So, Weiwen, what then does China offer in terms of an alternative model of economic partnership and development for the Indo-Pacific?
I think China stands firmly for all-inclusive cooperation with all the countries in the world, including the Indo-Pacific. And we have RCEP already, which entered into force on January 1st this year. And RCEP covers 30% of world GDP and world exports. And I find it interesting that of all the 13 countries that have committed to join the IPEF, 11, apart from India and the United States, 11 are RCEP members. And there are RCEP 15 countries. And apart from China, China is the largest trading partner for all the remaining 14 countries. And China's total trade with 14 countries amounted to $1.87 trillion last year, and much larger than the United States. The U.S. trade with the RCEP 14 countries was $0.8 trillion last year. So we should cooperate all together.